Hi guys, Tech James here. So there's actually this new error if you updated to H-encore 2.0. Let me just show you. If you try and install any kind of package file or VPK, so let me just show you this one. If I just press X again to install it, and then X one more time, you're going to see we actually get this kind of like error. So the error should come up around about 99%, so it should happen anytime now. And just wait for it. Here is the error. So we've got error 0x80871007. All we can do is press X for OK, and if we try and install it again, we're just going to get exactly the same error. So to fix this error, what you actually want to do is just press select, go and connect your PS Vita to your PC, and I will show you guys what to do next. So the flow has acknowledged the problem, and this is how you fix it. So he's just said a few things about it over on his Twitter, but what you guys want to do is go to the first link in the description. This will be the H-encore 2.0 GitHub. Scroll down and we're just looking for the system.dat file. So just click on this link and it will begin downloading in a second. Once we've got the latest system.dat file, go to your downloads folder and just find it in there. So what we're going to do is just drag and drop this across on our PS Vita, and I will show you guys what to do next. Okay, so back off our PC, just go to your UXO and find wherever you put that system.dat file. What we're going to do, press triangle, scroll down to copy and just press on X. Then press X for OK. We're going to scroll up until we get to user and press X to open it. Scroll down to 00, press X. Scroll down to save data, press X. Scroll down until we find PCSG 90096. Press triangle on that and then press X on open decrypted. In this file at the top, we just want to press triangle and then paste. What this is going to do is overwrite into the latest system.dat file. So press circle to go all the way back to the main menu, press start, scroll down to reboot and just press on X. So now let's go onto our PS Vita, let's just open up H-encore again and just make sure it's running. Okay, now let's go back into VitaShell and let's try and install a VPK file and just see what happens this time. So let's go onto the UXO, press X, scroll all the way down, find a VPK of your choice, anything really, it doesn't matter. Let's just press X to install it, and let's see, it actually install this time. So there you go guys, apparently it installed. Doesn't look like we've got the error message. Let's go and see. I installed Adrenaline and it should be on here. So there it is. I'm just going to move up the bubble a bit, but we can just test it and make sure it works as well. So let's just put that right there. Now let's just go and open it up. And you can see that it's working. So that is pretty much it for this video. That is how you fix the error. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.